Okay, hello guys.
It's not gonna be that
And
obvious.
today we are playing Monkey Manic.
What about just the lion?
So you can grab onto stuff. You can grab onto the tree, but you can't grab onto the ball. There's no. And you go up there. There's like game modes. If you go up to the bridge, there's game modes. Yes. What game mode? Let's see. There's a CIA.
Wait, James is in this lobby?
Popcorn. You die because you gotta do popcorn.
Who's James?
You cheated. I put your hands up to there.
Wait, James.
Wait, is the moderator in this lobby?
Wait, there's a moderator?
Yes, there is.
James?
I see them earlier.
Wait, James?
Where's
I don't see James on the modding thing.
I have to leave. I have to leave. Moderator, get your foothold back here before you get the chancla way. You want the chancla? Do not go to the computer. Do not go to the computer. Just don't go to the computer. I'm
Okay,
not
I'll go to the computer.
No way! Wait! No way!
Oh, he left.
Bruh.
It's Chaz. Mama, who wants to play King of the Hill?
Where? Imagine.
I can't do that. With playing on third person.
Oh,
Shut up!
oh my God.
How do you turn on third person? I want third person. You have to use mods. Give me mods. You have to buy it. No, give me money to buy it.
Me imagine just going on quest. I wonder if I answer it. That would be funny. Uncle Quest 3. Wait, so I don't really see any. I don't see a modder named James. I saw him and he was E-Owl or Controversy. But I saw him and he was. Saw him. He was definitely he was purple in real life. So this is pretty cool. I like this. Oh dang no! And you should subscribe for part 2 or another one of these videos. You can subscribe for another one of these. Sled racing. What? Maze. Let's go into maze. Whee! Like how it's these all tunnels to go there. Oh. Like, don't tell me there's monsters. I swear there's monsters in this game mode. Oh. I mean, it's fine, but I get out on monsters. I play Gorilla Tag a lot, so. don't know what that is. I'm at change. That's way over here. Usually would be like there's no monsters. That's fine. Oh. Oh crap. I feel like I'm super close. Oh, no. Don't mind my friend. Nah, they know. Yeah, they know. The people want to get up there. Just testing it out. I really want that YouTube thing to try and make it. Because that looks so cool. They made a good design. Actually, a pretty good design. Another waffle? We had to find like all waffles to get in to the waffle thing. I'm wondering where it would be. I want to get out of here. I want to show you up. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. I cannot find the end, so. Okay, let's go. I really want, like, the V2, I think. That one line. These long arms and all that. Box. Lava rush. Let's do lava rush. Hopefully I don't fall. Yes. It's fine. I just hit the tree. Zero gravity. I say zero gravity. Play around. I already found the hat. With somebody. In the hat, somebody. I don't want to tell you guys. Oh. Imagine it's just one opening. So one opening to get up there. I need to press the egg. Whoa. Oops. I basically skip every level. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll try some more. This one, subscribe for